Welcome to the ultimate guide to the Dubai Metro, the fastest, cleanest, and most affordable way to explore Dubai like a pro. Whether you're a tourist or a resident, this video will show you how to ride smart, save money, and see the top attractions, all using the Metro. Currently, Dubai Metro operates two lines, called the Red Line and the Green Line. The Green Line from Etisalat Metro Station to Creek Metro Station connects Dubai Creek, Al Qusais Al Ittihad Square, Dubai Healthcare City and Old Dubai areas Dera, Burj Dubai. The Red Line connects Sheikh Zayed Road from Central Point to Expo 2020. It has stops near Dubai major landmarks including Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall Business Bay, Jumeirah Lakes Towers, Dubai Marina, and Mall of the Emirates. Two metro stations. Burjuman Metro Station and Union Metro Station also serves interchange stations where between red and green lines meet. Construction of the Dubai Metro's Blue Line is officially launched. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, laid the foundation stone on the 9th of June 2025. Blue Line is planned to be completed by 2029, and opening is scheduled for September 9th. 2029, the 20th anniversary of Dubai's first metro line. Dubai Metro operates daily from morning 5 a.m. to midnight on weekdays and until 1 a.m. on Fridays. The Dubai Metro frequency is different between peak operating hours and off-peak hours. During peak hours, train arrives every 3 minutes and, during off-peak hours, 5 to 7 minutes. Trains run frequently on both lines to fulfill the traveling needs of the passengers. This is very important, and you must remember that the first and last train times vary for each station. The metro operating hours can also change during public holidays. The metro trains availability information is available on the screens of all the metro stations. You can check the latest arrival and departure timings on these display screens. Dubai Metro fares are quite low compared to many major cities in the world. Fares range from 3 to 7 AED, depending on number of zone traveled. Or grab a day pass for 20 AED, unlimited rides for the day. Regular commuters can obtain monthly to yearly plan that makes their fare more cheaper. Null card is a smart card used to pay for the use of various public transport in Dubai like metro, tram, public buses, or water taxis with a single tap. Red card or ticket is ideal for tourists and occasional users, and suitable for short stays. Silver card is a more permanent option, suitable for regular commuters, and it is rechargeable. Buying it costs 25 dirhams, where you will have 19 dirhams e-purse value. Gold card is like the silver card. Cost and e-purse value are same, but gold card allows access to gold cabin for a more comfortable journey. With cost per journey almost doubled, blue or personal card is designed for people with special needs, offering discounts, students age 5 to 23, social affairs beneficiaries and senior citizens and residents aged 60 years, and above benefit discounts on public transport fares when using public transports with this card. Where to buy a null card? Null cards can be purchased from ticket counter offices or vending machines at all Dubai Metro stations, bus stations, petrol stations, and selected retail outlets such as Carrefour, Spinneys. You can also buy a null card online through the RTA website or apps. You can top up the null cards at any of those locations and methods. Here are some must-know tips and the biggest mistakes to avoid to make your journey smooth and stress-free. One must be aware about these travel tips. Buy and recharge your null card before entering and exiting.
Plan your route before journey using Google Maps or RTA or S-Hail app for real-time routes and timing.
Stand on the right side of escalators and walk on the left. Make sure to tap your null card while entering and exiting. Sit in the correct cabin, general, women and children cabins or gold class. Do respect priority seating for women and the elderly. Use women and children cabin if you're eligible. Use the gold cabins only if you are holding gold card. Keep metro timings in mind. Most stations close around 12 a.m. on weekdays, later on weekends. Follow the signs for correct platforms and cabins. Don't eat, drink, or chew gum. AED 100 fine. Don't enter the wrong cabin, especially women and children only or gold class if you don't have gold card. AED 100 plus fine. Don't travel without tapping your null card. Fine AED 200. Don't forget to tap out. You'll be charged maximum fare. Don't litter or put your feet on seats. Respect public space. Don't rush into closing doors. It's dangerous and causes delays. Don't block train doors. Allow others to exit first. That's a wrap on your complete Dubai Metro guide. Hope you found it helpful, and now feel more confident navigating the city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides from Dubai, and share it with a fellow traveler. Let me know in the comment if any specific Dubai-related travel guide you wish to see in upcoming vlogs. Thanks for watching, and safe and smart travels in Dubai.